Okay, now we go on to section 2, preparing for the build. Excuse me. Table of contents, chapter 2, preparing the host system. That'll include the introduction, host system requirements, building LFS in stages, creating a new partition, creating file system on the partition, setting the LFS variable, and mounting the new partition. So it'll start getting interesting. Okay. Pairing the host system. Introduction 2.1. In this chapter, the host tools needed for building LFS are checked and, if necessary, installed. Then a partition which will host the LFS system is prepared. We will create the partition itself, create a file system on it, and mount it. Your host system should have the following software with the minimum versions indicated. This should not be an issue for most modern Linux distributions. Also note that many distributions will place software headers into separate packages, often in the form of package name devel or package name dev. Be sure to install those if your distribution provides them. Earlier versions of the listed software packages may work, but have not been tested. Note that the symlinks mentioned above are required to build an LFS system using the instructions contained within this book. Symlinks that point to other software, such as Dash, Mawk, etc. may work, but are not tested or supported by the LFS development team and may require either deviation from the instructions or additional patches to some packages. To see whether your host system has all the appropriate versions and the ability to compile programs, run the following. All right, let's just take this. EOF, I think, is the end of file. Let's run the whole thing. Copy or Control C. Let's put the terminal up. Let's see, does Control V paste here? No. Let me right click paste. So does not point to bash. Binary utils version not found. Bison command not found. All this stuff not found. Let's try this. You see it has, let's see, hold on. There's core utils, diff, find utils, Gawk not found, GCC not found, G++ not found. All right, let's do sudo apt get what is it called? Build essential. Let's see if that helps us. Yes. We could use some music while we do stuff like this. In fact, let's do this. Free Code Camp Radio. There's the name of the person. Okay, now let's go back to this page. Let's just do, let me do up to the EOF. And then I'll do the bash version check. Enter. Oh, it doesn't do anything without that. Duh. Sundown, Englewood Boardwalk, Bump 3. I wonder if YouTube will mark this. Paste. Enter. Let's see. So we know that bin sh needs to point to bash. Bison command is not found. So we need bison. YACC not found. Gawk not found. Okay, we got GCC now. Make info not found. Okay, so I'm not even gonna look exactly at what they say here. We'll have to set a symbolic link to bash. So we'll have to look at that. But first, let's see. Ubuntu Bison package, maybe? Oh, so we can, let's go into the software. Let's put Bison. How about YACC? How about Gawk? All right, none of that. So packages, Ubuntu. Here, 20.04 LTS. Let me pause this a second. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to the terminal again. We needed Bison. So first let's sudo apt-get update. That's what people usually do before they install stuff. Then sudo apt-get upgrade. Let's shut this down for now. And now we needed Bison, right? So sudo apt-get install. Let's try Bison. Pow. Do you want to continue? Yes. So that's Bison. Let's try sudo apt-get install YACC. Unable to locate that package. Okay. How about sudo apt-get install gawk? Oh, just in case, let's do the update. And since we have it already in here in the queue here, upgrade. Okay. Now how about sudo apt-get install makeinfo? Okay, so we didn't get YACC and makeinfo. Let's go back to the Linux from scratch page. Let's re-put this script in. Copy. Paste. Enter. All right. We need the symlink. We got Bison. I see YACC here. I see Gawk here, so we must have that now. Oh, make info command not found. So that's what's left. Okay, let me pause this and look for that. Okay, according to this Stack Overflow, sudo apt-get install text info. But when I do apt search make info, it gives me this right here. I'm assuming the green is what I need. So, whoops. Let's do sudo apt get install. That texie2HML looks like is what I need. Down here, it says texie2HML. HTML. It says sudo apt auto remove to remove stuff it says we don't need. So yes to continue. All right, let's see if we got what we needed. So back again here, copy. Let's run the script. It says make info command not found still. Let's see. Control C. Clear. Let's do the search again. So apt search make info. What if you do sudo apt get install this whole line here? Let's take off this. Put it to focal. Maybe if I put make info, the end here. Unable to locate package. Okay, let me pause this and look. Okay, let's try text info. I see for Debian, it was recently worked on. And in some threads, they mentioned text info. See text info back in 2018, but the GitHub is pretty current, 9 days ago. So let's try, I'm not even looking at the packages in there, but let's just TEXINFO. And let's do yes. Back to the music. All right, now let's run it again and see if we got it this way. Copy. Paste. Enter. Text C to any text info 6.7. The only thing is bin.sh has to point to bash. Okay, we're good to go. Thank you. This was This was host system requirements. We'll do the symlink in another video.